Reading with Teacher Paul, Reading Comprehension B2, Lesson 13, The Maya Civilization, a Legacy of Knowledge and Culture. Let's begin.
The Maya civilization was one of the most sophisticated and influential societies in ancient Mesoamerica. Flourishing in the region that is now southern Mexico, Guatemala, Belize, and parts of Honduras and El Salvador, the Maya developed a complex culture that was renowned for its advancements in mathematics, astronomy, architecture, and writing. Although the civilization reached its peak between 250 and 900 CE, its legacy endures today, particularly through its impressive ruins and ongoing cultural traditions among Maya descendants. Let's explore the history, achievements, and cultural practices of the Maya civilization. Geography and the rise of the Maya. The Maya civilization thrived in the lowlands and highlands of Central America, where a variety of environmental conditions influenced their way of life. The region's jungles, mountains, and coastal plains provided the Maya with diverse resources. They developed complex agricultural techniques to adapt to their surroundings, including the use of terraces and raised fields to grow staple crops like maize, corn, beans, squash, and chili peppers. The Maya civilization can be divided into three main periods. 1. Pre-Classic period, 2000 BCE, 250 CE. During this time, the Maya began to establish agricultural settlements and develop their culture. Villages grew into cities, and the early foundations of Maya society, such as religious practices and social organization, were formed. 2. Classic period, 250 CE, 900 CE. This is considered the height of Maya civilization. Major cities such as Tikal, Palenque, Copan, and Calakmul were built, and the Maya reached their greatest achievements in art, architecture, mathematics, and astronomy. This period is marked by the construction of monumental pyramids and palaces, as well as the development of complex city-states. Three. Post-Classic period, 900 CE, 1500 CE. After the collapse of many Classic period cities, the Maya civilization shifted to the northern Yucatan Peninsula. New cities like Chichen Itza and Mayapan emerged, and the Maya continued to be influential until the arrival of the Spanish in the early 16th century. Social and political organization. The Maya were organized into city-states, each ruled by a king, or a jah. Unlike other ancient civilizations, such as the Romans or Egyptians, the Maya did not have a unified empire but rather a collection of independent cities that often competed with each other. Despite this fragmentation, the cities shared common religious beliefs, language, and customs. Each city-state was a political, economic, and religious center. The nobility and priesthood held the highest positions in society, while most of the population consisted of farmers, artisans, and traders. The Maya economy was based on agriculture, but trade was also crucial for the exchange of goods such as jade, obsidian, textiles, and cacao. Religion played a central role in Maya life, and the rulers were believed to be intermediaries between the gods and the people. Maya kings were responsible for conducting religious ceremonies, including sacrifices, to maintain the favor of the gods. The Maya believed that these rituals were essential for agricultural success and societal stability. Religion and the Maya cosmos. Maya religion was deeply intertwined with nature and the cosmos. The Maya believed in a complex pantheon of gods, each associated with different aspects of life and nature, such as rain, agriculture, the sun, and death. One of the most important deities was Itzamna, the god of creation, writing, and the calendar. The Maya also worshipped Chak, the rain god, who was especially important in their agricultural society. The Maya viewed the universe as consisting of three realms: 1. The heavens, home to gods and celestial bodies like the sun, moon, and stars. 2. The earth, where humans lived and interacted with nature. 3. The underworld, or Xibalba, a place of darkness ruled by gods of death and decay. Religious ceremonies were often held in temples atop pyramids, where priests would perform rituals to communicate with the gods. The Maya ballgame, known as Paktapak, was also a religious ritual, where players reenacted the struggle between life and death. Sometimes, the game even had sacrificial overtones, with the losers being offered to the gods. Achievements in science and knowledge. The Maya were highly advanced in several fields of knowledge, including astronomy, mathematics, and writing. Their scientific achievements were remarkable for their time, and they left a legacy that continues to impress scholars today. 1. Astronomy. The Maya were exceptional astronomers who carefully observed the movements of the sun, moon, planets, and stars. They developed an incredibly accurate calendar system based on their astronomical knowledge. The Maya long count calendar could track dates over thousands of years, and their 260-day sacred calendar, called the Tsoken, was used for religious and ceremonial events. Maya priests could predict solar eclipses and other celestial events, which they believed were messages from the gods. Two. Mathematics. The Maya developed a sophisticated mathematical system that included the concept of zero, one of the earliest civilizations to do so. Their numeral system was based on a vigesimal, base 20, system, which allowed them to make precise calculations. They used a combination of dots and bars to represent numbers and created large, detailed calendars using these mathematical principles. 3. Writing. The Maya developed one of the most advanced writing systems in the ancient world, known as Maya hieroglyphs. Their script combined logograms, symbols representing words or syllables, and syllabic characters. This complex writing system was used to record historical events, royal genealogies, religious texts, and more. Many of their inscriptions can be found on stelae, large stone monuments, as well as in books made from tree bark, known as codices. Architecture and art. Maya architecture is among the most recognizable in Mesoamerica. The Maya built grand cities with monumental structures, including pyramids, palaces, and ball courts. These structures were made from limestone and often decorated with intricate carvings and sculptures. 1. Pyramids. Maya pyramids were often built in layers, with each new king adding to the height of the pyramid. The pyramids served as both temples and tombs for the rulers. The most famous example is the Pyramid of El Castillo at Chichen Itza, which is aligned with the sun to create a shadow in the shape of a serpent during the equinoxes. 2. Palaces. Palaces were the residences of the Maya nobility and were often elaborately decorated. These large, multi-story structures contained courtyards, stairways, and plazas, reflecting the wealth and power of the ruling class. 3. Art. Maya art was closely connected to their religion and royalty. They created detailed murals, pottery, and sculptures that depicted gods, rulers, and everyday life. Jade, a precious stone, was often used to craft jewelry and ceremonial objects. Maya stelae, tall stone slabs engraved with historical events and achievements, were erected to honor kings and commemorate important events. The mysterious decline of the Maya civilization. Around the 9th century CE, many of the major Maya cities in the southern lowlands were abandoned. The reasons for this collapse are still debated, but several factors likely played a role. 1. Environmental stress. The Mayas' agricultural practices, including deforestation and overuse of land, may have led to environmental degradation. This, combined with droughts, could have caused food shortages and contributed to the collapse of Maya cities. 2. Internal conflict. There is evidence of warfare between Maya city-states, which may have weakened their ability to sustain their populations and defend their territories. 3. Social unrest. It is possible that increasing social inequality, heavy taxation, and demands for labor by the ruling elite led to rebellion and the eventual abandonment of many cities. Despite this collapse, Maya civilization continued to thrive in the northern Yucatan Peninsula, where cities like Chichen Itza remained powerful until the arrival of the Spanish in the 16th century. The Maya legacy today. Although the ancient Maya civilization declined, their descendants continue to live in the region today, preserving many aspects of their culture, language, and traditions. Over 6 million Maya people live in Mexico, Guatemala, Belize, and Honduras, and their languages and cultural practices have survived the centuries. Modern Maya communities celebrate traditional festivals, practice agriculture, and maintain a strong connection to their ancestors. The ruins of Maya cities, such as Tikal, Palenque, and Chichen Itza, are now UNESCO World Heritage Sites and attract millions of visitors each year. These sites provide valuable insights into the achievements of the Maya and continue to inspire wonder about their advanced knowledge and culture. Conclusion. The Maya civilization was one of the most remarkable and enduring cultures of the ancient world. Their achievements in astronomy, mathematics, architecture, and writing have left a lasting impact on human history. The Maya created cities of grandeur, developed complex social and political systems, and made significant advancements in knowledge that continue to be admired today. Although their civilization faced challenges and eventual decline, their legacy lives on through their descendants and the impressive ruins that still stand as a testament to their ingenuity and resilience.
Thanks for watching. Visit www.TutorUKABC.com for more fun learning material.